It's the Christmas season again, and the Igbo men from the southeastern part of Nigeria are beginning to share gifts at Christmas as part of the cultural tradition of Akuruno, wealth returning home, and Akulono, investing back at home, symbolizing prosperity, family unity, showing appreciation for wives and in-laws, giving back to the community, and reinforcing ancestral ties during the major homecoming season, which blends Christian celebration with deep cultural practice. Akuluno has been a way for the rich and generous people of the community who made wealth from other parts of the country to return home during festive seasons such as Christmas to give gifts to the poor and also to the less privileged. In this video, we will explore this tradition of these Igbo people doing this philanthropy and building roads, giving out hospitals, sharing commodities like rice and the rest of them. If it's your first time on the channel, consider clicking that red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon so you don't miss out on future videos from this YouTube channel. The main reasons for giving of gifts is a vital way for successful Igbos living in cities or abroad to show that they haven't forgotten their roots, bringing blessings and resources back to their ancestral villages. It strengthens bonds by sharing abundance with extended family, kids and kin, fostering love and community spirit during the festive period. They give gifts to wives and in-laws to acknowledge their hard work and loyalty, encouraging continued support and family harmony. It's a time for the affluent to give alms and support the less fortunate in their hometowns, aligning with Christian charity and Igbo communalism. Christmas is the primary time for the mass return to Igbo land, and gift exchange is integral to this grand reunion, alongside traditional meetings and celebrations. Visiting home and contributing is believed to bring ancestral blessings, ensuring positive outcomes for the family in the new year. Essentially, it's a rich cultural practice where Christmas serves as the perfect backdrop for reinforcing identity, expressing gratitude, and ensuring communal prosperity within the Igbo society. We'll explore all this in this video. Consider clicking the red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon so you don't miss out on future videos from this channel. Alright. The Igbo people travel every Xmas, some leaving their homes in Lagos, Kaduna, Kano, Abuja, and Port Harcourt, returning back to their villages respectively, leaving other parts of the country in mass. Others wonder what pulls them back to embark on this annual ritual in spite of high cost of transportation and discomfort associated with the journey. Must the Igbos travel home during the Christmas New Year period? If they don't travel, will anything happen to them? What exactly do they go home to do that cannot be postponed? What is special about their towns and villages that makes it almost compulsory they will return to them during the Yuletide? From December 20 this year to January 5th of 2019, all flights going from Lagos and Abuja to Enugu, Owerri and Asaba are sold out. All buses moving to the southeast from key Nigerian cities are fully booked, even though fares are doubled. Most buses plying the fares, the roads, don't wait to pick up passengers from the southeast to Lagos or Abuja. They simply do what they call turn back by returning to Lagos or Abuja that same day, so as to be able to move passengers down to Igbo land the next day. So the passenger is paying for himself and the passenger that would have been picked up from the southeast if the bus had waited the next day to pick up passengers. Christmas is not traditional to the Igbo. It's a Christian festival. The most important traditional festival to the Igbo is the New Yam festival. But after embracing Christianity, the Igbo paid less attention to farming, gradually making Christmas displace the New Yam festival as the biggest festival among the people. The biblical story of Jesus has it that Jesus was born in Bethlehem because his parents returned to the land of their birth and directed by Caesar Augustus. The emperor had directed all those within his power of influence to return to their land of origin for census. Therefore, there is a kind of nexus between that biblical homecoming and the homecoming of the Igbo during Christmas. But the Igbo do not return to their ancestral homes annually just because it is Christmas time. The period between December 5th and January 5th is seen by most Igbo as a period of rest after the toiling and exertion of the year. The Igbo businessmen usually don't have any leave all through the year. They work 6 days or even 7 days of the week, so by the end of the year, they travel to the land of their birth to rest. To ensure that this is done, many of the markets controlled by the Igbo within Igbo land or outside Igbo land are shut down between December 23rd and January 2nd, so that those who sell in them can forcefully rest. Secondly, the Igbo are the ethnic group with the highest number of indigenes outside their communities. There is a strong belief among the Igbos that a person's financial and professional breakthrough is better achieved outside the person's community. The thinking is that there is a service one can offer in the foreign land better than the locals. So people relocate from their villages and towns to Onitsha, Aba, Nnewi, Enugu, Owerri, Asaba, Abakaliki, or locate to other regions within Nigeria or other countries. Easter is only a weekend. Christmas and New Year are 1 week apart. The days before and after them offer a period of about 2 weeks, which is the longest period break available for people who have been away from home for a while to return and spend some time with their family members and childhood friends. It is the period which the boys who left home to become apprentices are settled after serving their masters for about 7 years. Those who live outside their communities also bring their children home to know their kids and kin and learn their dialects. It's just a period for people to meet their potential husbands and wives. If you watched the video to this point, kindly click that red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you don't miss out on future videos from this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my very next video. Don't forget the traditions of these Igbo people in Nigeria. Make sure that you're following along our channel because we'll drop previous videos explaining these things of how the Igbo billionaires share gifts en masse. So make sure you understand every single thing that we said in this video. If you've done so, kindly share the video with your friends who are Igbo or even those that are not Igbo so they better understand the tradition, and I'll see you in my very next video.